Hi guys, in this video we are going to fully set up Visual Studio Code, the ultimate code editor that supports Python, Java, HTML and much more. Let's get started. Open your browser. Then search here Visual Studio Code. Then click this first link. Here there is some options. So I'm gonna give download for Windows. It started to download it. Choose the right version for your operating system, whether it's Mac, Windows or Linux, whatever. I'm installing it on Windows, so I will select that and hit the downloaded button. Downloading. Wait for few seconds until the progress completes. Yeah, few more seconds. Yeah, it's done. Now I accept the agreement. Next I click. I selected all these checkboxes. So next install. Downloading. Wait for few seconds until the progress bar completes. Few more seconds and we are done. Okay, let's give finish. It's opened Visual Studio Code. Here it's called a file explorer. Okay, and then search, source control, run and debug. This is called extension. So first we need some extensions to install. I'm gonna type here live server. Install this. Yeah, it's installed. Let's see what is the advantage of this live server extension. Actually, it allows you to instantly preview your HTML code in the browser. As soon as you save your changes, the browser updates automatically. This makes your workflow much faster. Once you got installed this, you are ready to go with HTML. Let's check up. Click here, open folder. Then in desktop or whatever, create one new folder. I named it as testing. Select folder and create new file index.html. HTML file, that is the latest version of the HTML. Now I got structure of the HTML. h1 tag. Hello everyone. Now you can see here the extension you installed there. Click to run your live server. Go live. Hello everyone. Okay. Now again I'm gonna use h1 tag with some other date. Engineers. Hello world. Okay. Without any updation or clicking button, directly I'm going to browser. Now you can see the updated content. Okay. Next h5 tag. Thank you. Let's move on to CSS. Okay. Now you can see thank you. Let's move on to CSS. Okay, let's see CSS environment setup for styling in VS Code. Okay. Now create one new file that is called styles.css. Before getting started with CSS, install one extension that is called CSS Peek. Why this extension? Okay, I will let you know. It's a very useful extension to quick navigate between HTML and CSS file. So we have to install CSS Peek. There is 6 million users installed this. Okay, installed successfully. Now let's connect the index file and the style file. So link relation style sheet hyperlink reference styles.css. Okay, before that let's check with the inline CSS styles background color blue, violet. Okay, now you can see here background color blue, violet. Okay, let's check with this CSS file, h5 tag, background color aqua, and then color black. Okay, now see here background color and then font color black. Yeah, you set up the CSS successfully. JavaScript development setup in Visual Studio Code. Before getting started with the JavaScript, we need to install Node.js because Node.js is the runtime environment for JavaScript. So go to browser, type here Node.js. Node.js run JavaScript everywhere. Okay, download this. Yeah, it installed. Open, click next, accept the terms and conditions, and then next, install. Wait for few seconds till the progress bar completes. Okay, wait. Wait for few seconds. Yeah, finish. Now, how to check it installed or not? Go to command prompt, type here node b. Yeah, it's showing version 20, and then npm version. Yeah, it's successfully installed. Now go to Visual Studio Code, extensions. We need to download JavaScript ES6. Okay, there is 17 million users, those who installed this extension. Installing. Yeah, installed successfully. Let's check. Go to HTML, create one paragraph tag, give id name as demo, and then open script tag to check JavaScript. Document dot get element by id. Here I'm gonna give demo dot inner html equal to hello world. Now let's see the output. Yeah, we got the output. So we set up the VS Code with the JavaScript. Thank you. For next video we will see how to set up Python and JavaScript. Python programming setup in Visual Studio Code. Let's see. Go to browser, search here Python download, and then get the latest version of the Python using this link, download Python 3.13. Once you got downloaded, go to command prompt, check here Python version. I'm having Python, so I didn't install right now. So you can see Python version. Okay, let's check Python is working in our VS Code or not. So file name hello.py. Now print hello world. Okay, let's check. Before getting started with any programming language, download one extension that is called Code Runner, the most famous extension to run codes. Install this. Now you can see here play button, that is we are going to use run the code. Okay, let's get started. Hello world, run this code. Now you can see the output. Okay, next we are going to set up Java programming setup in Visual Studio Code. So move to browser, JDK download. Then click this first link, scroll down. You can see here Linux, Mac, Windows. I'm gonna use Windows. Last link started to download. Now once downloaded, you can see here, click this one. Wait until this progress bar completes. Next. Yeah, it's downloading. Wait until this progress bar completes. Wait for a few more seconds. JDK full form Java Development Kit. Yeah, downloaded. Next, move to Windows. Search program files folder. Then go to Java. You can see the Java's latest version, JDK 23, and copy this path. Go to environment variables and then click this one, new Java home, create new variable and paste the URL without a bin. Once saved, go to path, create new path, that is for Java Development Kit bin with bin. Okay. Now go to command prompt, type here Java version. Now you can see the Java version in your system. Then go to VS Code, go to extension, download extension for Java. So Java extension package, you will get this one. Install this extension. Once it installed, we will start to code with Java. Installing, wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, finally it's installed. Then move to files, create new file hello.java. Okay, let's create a new programming for Java. Public class, same file name, so hello, public static void main string, and then directly go to system.out.println and type here hello world. Now run this file using this run hello. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, I got output hello world. Successfully installed and set up with the path for VS Code. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Bye.